It's kind of a dreary day out. It's clouded over. But I'm in my grow room, and I thought I'd give you a quick update. These are tomatoes that have been up-potted, and I know you can't see them very well with the light on. Woo! And the camera going wacky there. So let me turn the light off for a second so you can see what I'm showing you. Oh, yeah. Whoop! Okay. Hold on. Camera malfunction. No, it's not the camera. It's the thing that's holding the camera. Okay. Now you can see the camera. I still have a few things to up-pot. Mostly some asparagus. This is getting rather long. And a few miscellaneous flowers. I think the dill and the basil decided to kind of give up the ghost. There might be a little bit of dill that's still alive back there. One of the moringas passed away, but the nasturtium is doing amazingly wonderful. We've got a couple of little tiny tomatoes, and if you look carefully right here, a pepper. I don't know if this other one has one or not. Yep, there's a little bitsy pepper right there. More miscellaneous flowers. And this pot has all pepper plants in there. Some more up-potted tomatoes. And my lettuce is starting to make a comeback from all of the cut and come again that I did. Miscellaneous flowers in those two pots. Fava beans. More tomatoes. Oh, and look at all of the, can you see them? All of the roots in those sweet potato slips. One more little pot that needs to be up-potted. Looks like it might be a marigold, and I don't know what that is, but a miscellaneous flower of some sort. I've been harvesting as needed from my microgreens, as you can see right there, and also in that one. Quite a bit of that's been harvested. This one I haven't cut on at all yet. And I was gifted with a new Hoya plant that's in a hanging basket. I have Hoyas, but this one's fancier in the basket. And I need to figure out where I want to hang it from. Right now it's just hanging on the bathroom door. And that's about it for the update on what's going on here in my little indoor garden. Oh, I do have another surprise. Well, it wasn't a surprise to me. I asked for it when my hubby went to town. I did some research and showed him which bags of soil I wanted. And he bought them for me. And I've not used this kind before, but I've watched a lot of you guys using it and swear by it. So we're trying it out. It's Pro Mix. And he got me several, well, they're in 1 liter bags, but there's 2 1-liter bags in a package. And he got me several packages of that. So I will be okay for soil. And I believe we have on order some totes that I will be using to do some raised bed gardening outdoors so that I can safely do some outdoor gardening when it gets time to plant things outdoors, which won't be for another probably close to 2 months, at least the middle of May. And right now is the end. We have 1 more day in March. So it'll be a while before the outdoor things can be done outdoors, but hubby will help me with that, even though he doesn't really want to. He loves me, so he'll help. And I'll bring you along and show you what we've done after we've done it. Or maybe even while we're doing it, we'll have to see. But take care. May the good Lord richly bless you, surround you with his love and blessings. This is Darlene signing out.